Hey guys, I thought we would review our shapes by reading a story about my favorite season, fall, or autumn, or in Spanish, otoño. So it's called Pick a Circle, Gather Squares, a Fall Harvest of Shapes. So the colors of fall I love, the shapes of fall I love, and color and shape are two very important elements of art. Here we go. It's an apple crisp October day. Dad says we're on our way. Here we are, the pumpkin farm. Next we'll travel arm in arm. On our hayride to the patch, while we bump along, we'll match different shapes to what we see. Will you harvest them with me? So we're going to check out different shapes on their hayride. Have you ever been on a hayride? They're pretty fun. Pick a circle, here's the sun, apples, pumpkins, such round fun. So take a peek, maybe pause the video. How many circles do you see? Can you count them? I see some circles up here in the canopy. The donuts are circles. The wheel's a circle. There's polka dots on our scarecrow, the round center of a sunflower, some circular spots, the sun, a pumpkin, an apple, so many circles. Oh, even the bale of hay too, and the wheels on the tractor. Pluck a square, this bale of hay, a cube of straws, my seat today. All right, a square, all sides are the same. Now this bale of hay is a square. And then there's square checkerboard pattern on this scarecrow. Crisscross squares in the hat. Let's see, square windows on the house and on the barn. A square sign. All sorts of squares. Square patches, square pockets. Gather ovals, squash and corn, speckled eggs nest in the barn. So an oval is like a circle, but it's stretched out. So the corn is a stretched out circle. Eggs are stretched out circles. The mirror over here is a stretched out circle. This container, this basket. Very good. Oh, where the chickens are drinking their water, that's an oval too. Rectangles, a box of gourds, big barn doors, and wagon boards. So if an oval is a stretched out circle, a rectangle is like a stretched out square. So not all the sides are the same, but we have good rectangles in these boxes. The ladder, the windows, the barn doors. What other rectangles can you find? Diamonds darting in the sky match the scarecrow's watchful eye. So diamond argyle pattern, diamond kites in the sky, diamond eyes carved in the jack-o'-lantern for the scarecrow's eyeball. Hexagons and honeycombs and chicken wire where foxes roam. So a hexagon is like a six-sided shape. And now we have like umbrellas and kites that are hexagon shaped, a fence that's hexagon shaped, and then the most natural of hexagons are honeycomb, which is what bees make in their hive that gives us honey. You see those hexagons in the honeycomb? See the fields? We're almost there. Pumpkins, pumpkins everywhere. I get my pumpkins at Uncle John's cider mill. But I kind of want to grow my own sometime too. Triangles make Dad sigh for a tasty wedge of pie. Triangles have how many sides? Uno, dos, tres. 3 sides to a triangle. The light up here's a triangle. The wing on the chicken. The cat's nose. The sign for the pie. The piece of pie. The eyes on this jack-o'-lantern. Lots of triangles. Oh, the napkins too. The little napkin coming out of his pocket's a triangle. Very cool. Oh, the banner here, there's more triangles. Collect the shapes and pumpkins too. Dad, I'll make a heart for you. A heart's a kind of shape. Can you find any more hearts in this picture? Oh, riding back, we're seeing stars. Stands with cider, mums and jars. Star's a type of shape. There's a star on the cider label, the honey label, the buttons on the scarecrow's jacket. One of the eyes is carved as a star. The opening to the birdhouse. These little decorations. The decoration on the door, and of course the stars in the sky. Our harvest hayride helped us match so many shapes. Thanks, Pumpkin Patch. So, this book is a great review of our shapes and some of our colors, and then of the season of fall. I love fall for doing all these different activities, so go back through and review your shapes, and maybe you can find them if you go on a hayride or go out in nature too. Have fun!